Hey guys, got a 2017 plate VAUXHALL Zafira here. I'm going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure wall and light on this one. If you do find the video helpful, please give it a like, and if you want to see some more useful content like this, subscribe to the channel. Right, so on this one we're going to use the dashboard in front of us, in front of the steering wheel, and the stick on the left hand side of the steering wheel. So from here, I'm going to press the menu button, and then we want to twist the stick, twist it to here, and then press menu and twist it again. Keep twisting until you get to tyre pressure. So first, make sure your tyre pressures are pumped up to the correct pressures, and from here you want to hold down the button on the end of the stick for a few seconds. It says, are you sure you want to relearn? Press yes. And that's it. So just drive around for a couple of minutes and then it'll relearn, and that's it.